Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to recover Snapchat streaks. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Next, tap on the settings gear icon. Scroll down on the settings page until you find the I need help option and tap on it. On the next page, tap on the I lost my Snapstreak option. Tap on the This form option. The Snapstreak restoration request form will open. Please fill it out correctly with your username, email address, mobile number, device details, your friend's username whose Snap you want to restore, when the issue started, and any other required information. Add a brief description if needed, then tap on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. And there you have it. After a few hours, your Snapstreak should be restored. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.